Hey everyone, we're excited to introduce something brand new to the Alumilite lineup, and that is clear cast bio-based epoxy. If you love working with epoxy but have been looking for something a little more eco-conscious, this one's for you. With nearly 30% bio-based content made from renewable plant-derived sources, bio-based epoxy helps reduce reliance on petroleum-based materials without sacrificing performance. So that means you still get the durability, clarity, and ease of use you expect from Alumilite, except with a smaller environmental footprint. It features a simple 1-to-1 mix ratio, a water-clear, high-gloss finish, and it's self-leveling, making it perfect for tabletops, wood finishing, fluid art, coasters, jewelry, and more. You can use it crystal clear or customize your look with Alumilite's pigments, dyes, metallics, or glitters. Clearcast bio-based epoxy even has improved resistance to yellowing from UV exposure. That means your projects will stay looking great longer while still being super easy to work with. Pour up to 3/8-inch layers, enjoy a generous working time of 30 to 40 minutes, and create pieces that are as beautiful as they are functional. Now you don't have to choose between sustainability and quality. Craft with confidence while caring for the planet with Alumilite's bio-based epoxy. We can't wait to see what you create.